Hey guys, this is Sai Hari Krishnan from the trendyblog.net, and today in this video let's do the benchmarks and the hardcore gaming test of the Vivo V9. So we are using the Vivo V9 for past 7 days and we have played a lot of games. You can see we have installed a lot of games, and the best part about this phone is that the speaker quality on the phone is just amazing. It's just produced some loud sound and the display quality is also pretty good. So overall you will be very pleased to use this phone as an entertainment package and you will enjoy your content on this smartphone. So now let us check out the N.O.V.A benchmark, and we have got a score of around 90,503. So that's a pretty good score for a phone for 20,000 rupees. This is budget segment smartphone from Vivo, and this comes with Snapdragon 626 processor and which is optimized pretty well for the smartphone. So you can see that here it shows that the my device. So you can just go to my device and here you have the all of specifications given, which has it runs on Android 8.1.0 Android, so the latest Android you get. So the first game which I'm going to play is Asphalt Extreme. So let this game load and we'll come back. So game has been loaded and you can see that the speaker volume is quite loud. So you can see that So guys, as you saw that the Asphalt Extreme played pretty well and the graphics is also set on the high settings, and still the software and the hardware played it pretty well. So Snapdragon 626 is quite capable of playing great games, and these phones also support quite well, and there is not much sense of heating, and heating is also pretty less. The second game on our list is the N.O.V.A. So now let this game load, and again this phone can play all of the hardcore games that you install, and as it has 64 GB storage, you can install around a lot of hardcore games and you can play, and even doesn't get heated much, and due to the extreme and good sound clarity, you will enjoy your gaming experience in this. So here the game has been loaded now. You can see the graphic settings, looks quite nice, and the sound is also pretty loud. As you saw, the N.O.V.A also played pretty well. So next hardcore game on our list is the Mortal Kombat. So all of the games are quite heavy and graphic intensive, and still the Vivo V9 plays it pretty well, and there is a minimal sign of heating, and there is low or no to most no heating. So you will just feel a slight bit of warm, but there is almost no heating like I felt on other phones which I was playing. So I'm pretty pleased with the Vivo that they have optimized their phone for gaming also. So this doesn't heat at all while you're gaming. So as you guys saw that even Mortal Kombat played pretty well, and the next game on our list is SBK16. Let's return the brightness a bit. And next game on our list is SBK16. So this is a bike racing. So now I'll show you all of the 4 hardcore games that you can play in the Vivo V9, and you can play more games like Player Battle Underground, PUBG, and etc. And they will play pretty well. So if you allow multiplayer gaming, you can play PUBG. And the best part about this phone, which I'm liking the most, is this: the sound quality is just extremely good, and there is zero heating, and so that which makes this phone a good gaming smartphone, and it's a great entertainment hub. You get great selfies. So as you guys saw that I was playing these 4 or 5 games which are pretty hardcore games, and with Snapdragon 628 processor also, the Vivo V9 plays pretty well, and the gaming experience also is very nice, and the speaker output is also pretty loud. So if you want to purchase this smartphone for your gaming purpose also, you can buy this. Anyways, this gives great selfie and also has a notch which is quite lovely to look, and the display is also pretty good. So guys, that was my quick gaming review. I hope you liked it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. For more videos like this, make sure to click the red button below to subscribe to our channel, that is the Trendy Blog. Also check out our social media profiles, a link given in the description. And if you want to purchase this device, I will leave a direct link in the description from where you can go and buy it. Make sure to use our link, it helps the channel. Also, if you shop online, you can bookmark our link for Flipkart and Amazon, which will help the channel to grow. So you can use those links to buy online. So guys, this is Sai Hari Krishnan signing off. I'll catch you guys soon in my next one. Till then, peace out.